Be sure to watch a new message from Supreme Master Ching Hai, vegan, on Fly News.
Happy New Year to your kids. You don't have to put your pot and pan right in the middle of the big ring of fire. See, you can cook like this. You cook anything on it with very few pieces of small fallen twigs from the tree. I used to sit, and next to this kind of cooking in the yard of my house, waiting droolingly for the cake to finish cooking, and so we can eat it at New Year's Eve already, after it's cooked, and continue until next 3-4 days.
Coming soon.